Welcome to How to Speak to the Universe, a journey into the hidden dimensions of our existence. Join us as we explore the mysteries of the cosmos and discover how to connect with the infinite power that surrounds us. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, there lies an intricate web of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Since the dawn of time, humanity has looked to the heavens for guidance, seeking answers to life's greatest questions. Today, science has unveiled the secrets of the universe, revealing the laws that govern its every movement. But amidst the equations and theories lies a deeper truth: the universe speaks to us in ways beyond comprehension. To truly speak to the universe, we must first cultivate the art of listening. This requires quieting the constant chatter within our minds, a cacophony of thoughts, worries, and distractions. Through the practice of mindfulness and meditation, we can embark on a journey of inner exploration, learning to silence these internal storms. As we create space within, we begin to perceive the subtle whispers of the universe, a symphony of interconnectedness that resonates throughout existence. This practice allows us to become receptive to the wisdom inherent in the natural world, the subtle guidance offered by intuition, and the profound messages encoded in the fabric of reality itself. By quieting our minds and attuning ourselves to the cosmic symphony, we open ourselves to a deeper level of communication with the universe, fostering a meaningful dialogue that transcends words and embraces the language of the soul. Nature, itself a manifestation of the universe's grand design, holds the key to unlocking its language. By immersing ourselves in the natural world, we transcend the boundaries of the human-made and step into a realm of interconnectedness. Lush forests hum with the symphony of life, each rustling leaf and chirping bird a note in the grand composition. The rhythmic crash of waves against the shore echoes the heartbeat of the earth, while the silent dance of the stars above whispers tales of cosmic wonder. As we open our senses to the sights, sounds, and textures of the natural world, we begin to understand the silent dialogue that unfolds around us. The towering trees become silent teachers, their enduring presence a testament to the cyclical nature of life and death. The vastness of the sky invites contemplation, urging us to ponder our place within the grand tapestry of existence. By immersing ourselves in nature, we not only become fluent in its silent dialogue but also reconnect with the essence of our own being, a being born from and forever intertwined with the intricate web of the universe. Affirmations and visualization act as our bridge to the universe, allowing us to engage in a two-way dialogue. By speaking our desires into existence, we not only clarify our intentions but also plant the seeds of possibility within our own subconscious. The act of vocalizing our aspirations imbues them with a sense of tangible reality, propelling them forward with the momentum of focused energy. Visualization further strengthens this connection, allowing us to paint a vivid picture of our dreams in the canvas of our mind. By immersing ourselves in these detailed visions, we activate the law of attraction, drawing the necessary resources and opportunities closer to us. These affirmations and visualizations, infused with intention and emotional resonance, act as energetic signals that resonate with the universe's own vibrational frequency. Like tuning forks set to the same pitch, our focused desires and vivid dreams find harmony with the universal flow, increasing the likelihood of manifesting our aspirations into reality. Above all, love and compassion stand as universal languages, transcending cultural barriers and bridging the gap between ourselves and the very essence of the cosmos. When we radiate love outward, extending compassion and kindness to all beings, we become conduits for the universe's boundless energy. This love, expressed not only through words but also through our actions and intentions, creates a ripple effect that extends outward, touching the lives of others and fostering a sense of interconnectedness. In this way, we align ourselves with the fundamental principles of the universe, principles of unity, harmony, and the inherent value of all existence. By embracing love and compassion, we not only contribute to a more positive and peaceful world but also forge a deeper connection to the infinite tapestry of existence, weaving ourselves into the fabric of the cosmos with each act of kindness and every expression of love. So, dear seeker, know that you are never alone in this vast universe. Through mindfulness, nature, affirmations, and love, you possess the power to speak to the cosmos and co-create your reality. Listen closely, for the universe is always whispering its secrets, waiting for you to heed its call. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content on spirituality, mindfulness, and personal growth.